Hey guys, within this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the TikTok app on your mobile device. So, if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download the app from there. But if you're using an iPhone like I am here, it's the App Store in the middle of the screen right here on the home screen, this blue button. And then from there, go down to the bottom right, the search page, and start typing in at the top, TikTok. And then you want to press the search button on the bottom right and start searching up the TikTok app. Skip past the first advertisement, and then their first organic link is TikTok right here. It's this black icon with this sort of musical note looking white section. And from there, on the right hand side, there's a cloud icon in blue with a downwards pointing arrow. That basically means that you have downloaded TikTok on your App Store account in the past, not necessarily this specific device, but maybe an iPad or a MacBook or something like that. But if you've never downloaded TikTok, you will have a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or the cloud icon and it will start downloading the app on this device. Automatic downloads for in-app content, press Continue. And then from there, you can actually see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle right there. I am going to be back in a little second once this has fully downloaded. And so from there, guys, TikTok has fully downloaded on this device. And from within the App Store in the top right, there's the open button. When you actually press that, it's going to launch the TikTok app. And from there, it's going to ask you a bunch of information to either sign up and create your account, or if you already have an account, you can go to the login button just underneath the next button. Press that, and then you can continue with your phone number, email address, username, or your Facebook account, your Apple account, or your Google account. Or if you actually don't have an account yet, you can go down to the bottom right there, press sign up, and create your TikTok account from there. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.